Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix headset mic not working on Windows 10 or 11, right? So the first step what I suggest to do here is to go to your microphone button and look if it's not muted. And a lot of times, sometimes you cannot recognize, but you on accident you mute the microphone. So just look if it's muted or not. If it's not muted, then we can proceed with other steps. So first one is to go to settings, then go to privacy and security, then scroll down until you see microphone, then look, microphone access should be enabled here, and look on the app you're trying to, for example, play, for example, Apex Legends, I don't know, make sure it's enabled on the apps you're using, right? Then you need to go to sound settings and the search, then scroll down until you see more sound settings, and then look for your headset here and make sure to find your headset and make sure to set as default, then double click on it. On device usage, make sure that use this device enable is on. Then on levels, make sure it's not muted here, and then it has proper sound. Also here, make sure allow applications to take exclusive control of this device and give exclusive mode applications priority also is enabled. And yeah, that's about it here. On recording, look for your mic, set as default. As you can see here, make sure this option is enabled. Listen, also you can listen to this device, just tick this and look if it's working for you or not. Also it's not muted here, and on the advanced, these two options is selected. And also what I suggest you to do here is to go to more sound settings, or not, volume mixer, and then run the app that the mic is not working, for example, some sort of game, and then look if your app is not muted here, right? Because sometimes it can be the problem. Just unmute the app, and also make sure to use default or the microphone and the speakers or the one that you using, right? Exactly the name. If it's not working, then what I suggest to do here next is to go to device manager. Then you need to go to audio inputs and outputs, look for your headset, right? And then just update drivers, right? And after restart your computer, and also make sure that your operating system is also up to date, right? And then look if the problem persists or not. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.